Hey everybody, today I am going to be replacing my condensate pump on my boiler. Okay, I did an unboxing of this, so you should have already seen that video, hopefully. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my camera set up here, and I'm going to show you what I'm looking at, and then we're going to go and get this tackled. I've never done this before, but I'm not afraid to try it or do it, so stick with me and we'll see how we come out in the end. So what we're looking at right here is this is the condensate pump, and this has been in here since 2013. So it's been in there 13 years. It's probably getting tired, needs to be replaced. I'm just doing it as part of preventative maintenance. What I'm going to do is there's a little drain coming off of the boiler right here going into the condensate pump. I'm going to pull that out and put it in this bucket down here. So I'm just going to go like this. Pull it out and just divert it over to the bucket, as you can see. Now you can see it's dripping in the bucket. All right. So at this point here, it is plugged into the heater. I'm going to undo the plug, just going to unplug it. All right. That has no more power going to it. Now at some point here, I'm going to have to muscle this out of here. I'm not exactly sure how it's on the wall, but we're definitely going to check it out, and we're going to see what we're going to run into here. I'm just taking that pipe out for now. That was just water that was in there from the pump. Okay. Not much going on with that. A couple of drips. For the heck of it, I'm just going to throw a towel on the floor where these are dripping, so I can work on getting that pump out. Now, I don't know how this is really attached to the wall, but we're about to find out. I know there's a bunch of water in this line right here. That I do know. Right over here, I don't know if you can see it or not. There is a bunch of water in this line. So when that comes off of there, it may spill. But that is what it is right now. I know there's a bracket. I think there's a bracket on this somehow. Yeah, it's just going to come off like that. This just has a bracket on the back of it. It's kind of funny. This is actually falling apart, this pump. Right? It's actually falling apart. It's got some water in it. Let me see if I can dump it into my bucket here. I got a bucket over to the side just for this. So much junk in here. Dirty old water. It's exactly what it is, dirty old water. Let's see if we can get this out of here somehow. Actually, probably cut that. We're going to cut that. Yeah, that pump is actually falling apart. Good thing we're doing this project, I guess. Get that out of the way. I was just cutting the end of that pipe. All right. Oh boy. Just gotta make sure that any condensate, you can see it coming out of there, is going into the bucket now. And let's continue. This bracket on the wall here very loosely, just junk, just kind of pushed in, really not doing anything. I'm just kind of goofing around with this while I try to get it placed properly. in there. That's gonna go over here. Maybe we do go this way. That's gonna go here. That's gonna go in here. Yeah, I like that. That's the way that setup's gonna go. Except I have to. I'll move this over here now. So we can get this leveled up. It's a little tight in here, but I'll get to it. Swing this up in place. And there we are. That's hung in there now the way we want it. I got a drain and I got actually 2 drains, and we'll run our hose off of this side over here. And I'm just going to snug those screws up just ever so slightly. Just a smidge on each side. Okay, just a little bit there, and just a little bit on this side. That should not fall out, but anything's possible, okay? I just want to show you where I'm at right now. I've got that mounted. I have the hot water tank expansion on the right hand side, and I have the boiler condensate going into the left hand side. Now I have to run my vinyl tubing over to my drain, which is up over there. So at this point here, I'm just going to kind of work on that while I let you watch. At this point, I have to put that tubing on here and start to run the tubing. So I do have the tubing right here. We have to get this run up into place. I'll try not to get in the way. Here's a new tubing. Okay. It seems like that's all the way on, just about. I'm going to say that's all the way on. See? Or 90% anyway. So just to recap where we are, we've mounted the condensate pump and we've connected our tubing. I've run the tubing over here, up, and I'm about to go over the top with it. So I'm just going to back you up a little bit and show you how I finish this up. And I might be in the way a little bit, but I hope not. So I've gone up over the top. The old hose I've got to pull out. The yellow. The clear hose is going to go in that drain right there. You can see the drain. Hang in there. I got to pull that old hose out. But I'll use my bucket just in case. All right, that's done. Now we're going to have to get in here. We've got everything run around the top now. Okay? I want to come down here. We'll probably cut that about there to get it in. Okay? That's plenty going into the drain right now. Okay, we're just going to shove that down in there. That's it for now. That should be that's way down in there. That should be no issue at all. I would like to get a staple right up in there though. I think I have one. I thought I had one on the floor here somewhere. Yeah, I do. I'm just going to bang this in place, and that will be it. All right. That's not going anywhere. And we'll just hang this right here. That's all we need. I'm going to call that complete now. So at this point, let's plug it in and see if it does anything. Hopefully it works, or else I'm going to have to undo everything and get one for tomorrow, if possible. What we have to do now is just get the electrical plug and just plug her in. That's it. That's all it is at this point. And that's it. I'm going to put a little water in there and see if it'll start up. Yep, the pump is started up perfectly. And it's not draining back. The line is energized and it's full. All right. So we're going to call this a success. I want to thank you for hanging in there and watching. But you saw we put in the condensate pump. We put the 2 drain lines in it, one from the boiler and one from the hot water tank, which I have going in there. And we ran the piping up and over here, and it comes down over here in that drain. So everything looks good. I'm going to call this a wrap.